I'm here on stage of an English House Academy taking interview of our students. Let me speak to this boy. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
What's your name?
Muhammad Zaid.
My name is.
Muhammad Zaid. My name is Muhammad Zaid.
Where is your house, Zaid?
My house in Tumkur.
Okay. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Mujassim.
What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Rahila.
Who is your favorite, father or mother?
Both.
Who gives you more punishment, dad or mom?
Mom.
Okay. Then which school you are studying?
Ali Public School.
Do you like Ali Public School?
Yes.
Okay. Who is your Arabic teacher?
Bilal Hazrat.
Okay. How many chapters did you complete in Khaira?
12.
12 chapters. Okay, good. What you want to become after completing your education?
Hafiz al-Quran.
MashaAllah. Along with the Hafiz al-Quran, anything like doctor, engineer?
Engineer.
Engineer with the Hafiz al-Quran. Okay, let's clap for him.